You're 20 minutes into the biggest pitch of your life. You've explained the problem, and now you click to reveal the solution. Before you even finish your first sentence, the posture in the room changes. The partners lean back, arms cross, eye contact breaks. No one has said a word, but the deal is already dead. This silent rejection occurs because your presentation is answering a question the investors never asked. Founders often collapse the solution slide into a product slide, treating them as interchangeable. The result is a screen filled with technical features, software specs, and high-resolution screenshots of a dashboard. To an investor, a feature list signals a commodity. It suggests a company building the same tool as everyone else, just with a slightly better user interface. On the left, a checklist represents what competitors can copy in 6 months. On the right stands a structural business moat. Presenting features instead of a moat forces an investor to categorize your startup as a high-risk, fast follower. The deal usually ends here. A successful solution slide functions as the DNA of your company, articulating a unique approach to the market. This slide must prioritize the customer's motivation to buy over the product's mechanical functions. For example, the existence of a real-time data API is a mechanical feature. The fact that a platform saves vehicle owners an average of $150 a year on insurance premiums is a quantified benefit. Quantifying the exact value for the end user provides the evidence of market demand that drives investor confidence. The AIR method provides the structural framework needed to build this argument. The A stands for alternatives. This requires acknowledging how your target customer solves their problem today, even if that solution is a manual process or a spreadsheet. The I stands for inertia, the massive psychological and operational friction that keeps customers from changing their habits. This friction acts as a barrier. To move a user from the status quo to a new solution, your value proposition must generate enough energy to clear this threshold. A product that is only marginally better will fail to clear the hurdle. Without a plan to overcome inertia, the customer rolls back into their old routine. Finally, the R stands for roadmap. This connects the founding team's specific history to the solution. A unique insight drawn from years of industry experience creates an intellectual moat. Lived expertise is significantly harder for a competitor to replicate than software code. The AIR method transforms a static product description into a dynamic argument for market dominance. The difference between a funded deck and a rejected one is rarely the core product idea. Startups often fail to raise capital because they try to compete on feature volume. The teams that secure checks do so by framing a defensible strategic approach. Capital flows toward teams with a deep understanding of a painful problem. Technical skill is assumed, but strategic insight is what secures the check. Optimize your presentation for clarity. In the history of venture capital, no founder has ever been rejected for being too clear. Audit your own presentation tonight. Identify every feature list that can be removed without weakening the core narrative of your business. For those who want the heavy lifting done for them, the VC-ready 16-slide pitch deck in Canva provides 2 distinct themes designed to close rounds. It includes a 16-page slide-by-side consulting manual mapping directly to the investor psychology discussed today. Use the link below to access the kit and turn your product feature list into an investable business case.